Hey guys, so today we are going to do something a little bit different on my channel. We are going to do a haul regarding fitness, and I figured I'd show you the package that I got. So my boss at work, she is an Optavia coach, and she looks amazing. I believe she lost about 17 pounds. Not to say that I'm fat, but we all know as girls, our belly fat. Yes, so I figured I'd give it a try and see how it goes. And yeah, so the one thing that I like about this diet, I guess you want to say, or it's a better healthy eating way, is that to start off, you're restricted to a lot of things. So you can't have carrots and corn and Brussels sprouts and onions, but some recipes, like you can have a little bit of onions, like no rice, no pasta, no bread. So it's a low carb, no sugar diet, more water intake. So which is actually really good because I'm not really drinking as much water as I used to. I actually had a problem, I believe it was a year and a half ago. I went to the hospital because my electrolytes were pretty low, and I was told that I was drinking too much water. So I didn't know that there was a thing where you can drink too much water, which I love water. Like, that's the only thing I would do. Like, I would normally, like lately I've been doing like the Crystal Light, the lemonade, and I will mix that in my water and then call it a day. But yeah, I another thing that I like about this diet, or better way of eating, is that you're eating smaller portions. So you're eating 5 meals every 2 hours, and ideally once I get to my goal weight, I want to gain muscle. So I want to shed all the fat in order to gain, because that's the only way of building your muscle. And I figured, get all that weight off and build a booty, as we all girls want to do, is build that booty. So I figured, why not give it a whirl? There's a lot of friends and family members of mine that are a little bit on the heavy side, which it's okay. I'm not judgmental. I just want to throw it out there to say, hey, let's get better, let's get healthier, let's get fit together. And on to the haul. I'm chit-chatting too much. So this box is huge. I don't think I can. Look at this. It's a huge box. I can't even put it in frame, but you get a lot of goodies in here. It's packed. So you get your packing slip, and it tells you like everything that came in your packet, in your box. So you do get, which is pretty cool, you get a shaker bottle, and it comes with a little ball inside so you can shake your shakes. So I like that. You're getting roasted garlic creamy smashed potatoes, and this is how it looks like. So I'm not sure how many. 7 come in the box. Sorry, it says it right on the box. So you get some zesty lemon crisp bars. She was actually talking about these, so I'm actually excited to have these. And there's 7 in a box. So ideally, it's really like $11 a day that you're eating if you want to add it up that way. So buttermilk cheddar herb biscuit with rosemary and thyme. I'm excited to try this, but I'm a little worried about the cheese because I'm lactose. So let's see how this is going to work out. Then this one is the creamy chocolate shake. Homestyle chicken flavor and vegetable soup. Cranberry honey nut granola bar. So that's another one of those. Caramel Delight bar crisp. Silky peanut butter chocolate chip bar. Drizzled chocolate fudge crisp bar. I'm seeing a lot of chocolate, so I'm actually excited because I love chocolate. Raisin oat cinnamon crisp bar. Creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. Oh, there's two of those. And there's two of the chocolate mint cookie crisp. I dropped the box. And then this is the Optavia guide. So this tells you like how to prepare your dinner for nighttime. So I have to read on that. Creamy chocolate shake. Decadent chocolate brownie. Silky peanut butter shake. This one sounds yummy. Chewy chocolate chip cookie. I'm happy that we get cookies in here. Honey mustard and onion sticks. I heard somebody on YouTube rave about these, so I'm actually excited to try them. Dark chocolate covered cherry shake with real cocoa. I'm a little skeptical about this one, but it sounds good. Rustic tomato herb penne. This one sounds good. Wild strawberry shake. Red berry crunchy O cereals. And zesty cheddar and Italian herb crunchers. There's a lot of boxes in here. This is supposed to be a month's worth of food. So everything sounds really good. I'm just a little worried about the cheese. But other than that, I believe I should be okay. See, another thing that worries me is that these shakes have milk in them. So, I mean, it may be okay. I'm just praying. I'm praying. I'm praying that they're not gonna be bothersome in my stomach, because that's where the problem is the milk. After I had my daughter, I became lactose. So it's kind of strange, like when you have kids, how your whole body changes. But I mean, for all, I'm actually excited to try this. I'm pretty sure that we should be fine, but overall, yeah. So, I mean, I'll take you guys along my journey and see how it goes, and let you guys know, fill you in. Maybe I can do like a vlog on what I eat. But other than that, yeah, I'm actually very excited. I'll be posting a little bit more once I get to know a little bit more about the company and stuff like that, because I've been researching and I'm actually interested in becoming a coach and go from there. So yeah, but I hope everybody is doing well. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and take care, guys. Bye.